Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about movement of camera in Unity 3D. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. In before video I have done that is movement of player from x horizontal and vertical. If you press the buttons left, right, up and down, the player will move. This is what I have done in before video. If not, the link was in description. You can find the video and you can learn how to move a player. And I told how to write the code in different aspects and how can we changes everything I said in before video. Now in this video I want to say that while moving the player I want to move the camera also, because you can see, observe, while player is moving the screen was like same. So I want to move the camera also along with the player. For that I have different things in my mind to do that. Just we all of us know about parent and child. What's the parent having property, same it's related to child also. Same like that now. Just drag the camera and drop here. You can see it's not a, just drag here, you can see the parent and child. Okay, this means everything was the properties was belongs to same camera. So like that I have done. Just play the button and you can see the output what it was happening. Just press yes. The camera is also rotating, the camera is also moving for how the player is moving. Actually I don't want that. I want where the player is moving, along with that the camera should move. So for that I want to do that, should not be as a child. So for that I want to write a code uh which helps to do something, that movement of cameras. For that I want to create a script which is create a C sharp script, name it as camera movement. Just I created the movement of camera script and just click this one and it will automatically opens to Visual Studio. Now I want to write the camera script. For that I want to take two things. First of all, set the position of camera. I already done that. It's an just I set it the position which was seen very clearly. The game view should be clear. So I done that. Now my task is I want to move the camera along with the player. For that I want to write a code. Okay, so for that I want to create a new script which was camera movement. Now I want to create two things. So I want to write two things, which is game object and uh, which is a play camera movement value. Should I needed two values. So game object, here the game object is player, right? So along with the player the camera should be movement. So I want to take a game object. So I'll keep it as a public. Just I'll drag and drop there. So I'll keep it as a public and game object as player. And another thing I want to take that private. You can, maybe it's a private or public, whatever it may be, it should be private, because I'm taking the axis should move the camera x y z. So I'm taking vector 3. So I'll assign a camera value. So now I want to calculate the camera value. First of all, then I'll assign the value which is to players. So now I'll calculate the camera value. For that, in start method I have to write camera value is equal to transform dot position. That means it's the position of the camera minus, I'm just finding the camera value, then player dot transform, sorry, transform dot position. So just I calculated the camera value. That is, I want to the camera position minus player position. I want to do that. Just a small line. Now I want to write in late update. Already explained about late update. What is the difference between update and late update? So I want to write a late update. So I want to create a late update. So in late update, I want to write late update is for it renders for every frame. So I want to write here. So what is the transform position? First of all, I want to calculate the transform position. So for that, transform dot position equal to player position. So player transform, we can see that player transform dot position plus camera value. So camera value, just save it as control s, keep it save. And now for main camera, I want to add this uh, script. Just add component camera movement. Yes, now I added the script. Just play the button and you can see that what happening. Yes, still not moving. The camera was not moving. Why? Because you can observe why, because in main camera have to add the player, right? Player position, which is peer. So this one, rename it as a player. So just drag this player and drop here. And now you can observe what happening. Yes, zoom it and you can see that now the camera is moving or not. Yes, did you observe that the camera is also moving along with the player? So this is the way to write how to move camera along with the player. This is a small code. I'll come with another video to design the game view. I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos. And do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really give reply to you.